Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable ANC mode on your headphones Realme Buds Air 6. To turn off ANC mode, you should press and hold on your left or right earbud. So let's check it. And now I hear a voice, so it means that I'm turn off ANC mode, and if I'm press and hold again, I will turn on it. So let's check it. And again I hear a voice, so it means that I'm turn on ANC mode. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!